Welcome to 263 Dolores. This is a top floor, 5 to 6 bedroom, full floor flat. It's a rent control apartment available for lease. It has an ornate mural here on its entry area. I'm assuming this is Venice. Not too much to do with Dolores Street, but still looks good. There's an interior staircase. At the top of the staircase, you have a landing area. It has an ornate ceiling medallion. We'll head this way. This is the first of 5 bedrooms or 6 rooms. And this room has a big window that looks down onto Dolores Street. There's a period window bench, some recessed lighting, high ceilings, and a walk-in closet with storage. The next room, which also has a door, is considered officially the living room. It does not have a closet. It has a Tourette type rounded Edwardian window and a fireplace. This window has a great outlook. You look at the cathedral up there. This is very close to Dolores Park. Hardwood floors throughout. You have your original butler's pantry here. Gives you some extra closet. If you use the living room as a bedroom, it gives it a nice closet. Next room is a large bedroom. Has a ceiling medallion. 2 big windows. Very spacious. Nice closet with double hanging racks and shelves. Onward, we get to the first of 2 full remodeled baths. It's a flecked granite countertop on the vanity. Fancy tile for the floors and around the tub. Nice storage space. You have a door here that closes off the rear portion of the apartment from the front portion, which is handy. And we go to room number 4, very spacious and bright. There's an extra window here. Room 4 has a corner closet. This is just your hot water heater, which is your own, so you have plenty of hot water. Extra closet. In-unit laundry. Pantry for the kitchen. And the kitchen has been remodeled. Maple cabinets, more recessed lighting. Giant skylight. Stainless appliances include the refrigerator, the gas range, the dishwasher, or double sinks with disposal and a retractable faucet. Granite countertops with slab granite backsplash. Tiled floor. Plenty of room for dining. The second bath is this way. Also has a granite countertop. Double medicine cabinets. The 5th room is through this door, up its own little staircase. Nice and sunny and big like all the others. And this one has a mirrored double closet door, 3 hanging racks, and a view of the neighborhood. The final room, also up its own little staircase, looks towards the back, and it has its own rear entry-exit door. It's very popular in rentals. It's big. And a nice closet. If you're interested in leasing 263 Dolores, visit billharkins.com or call 415-305-5311. Thank you. Have a great day.